Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Study with me. I am Ayush Yogesh More. Today we are going to see Trigonometric Lecture number 6, and it is related to half angle and its derivative. Now turning to our first slide, some half angle formulas of sine. So sin x by 2 will be equal to plus minus under root of 1 minus cos x divided by 2. We are going to see its derivation later. This all sine cos tan x by 2's derivation later. Now we are just going through it. What are the formulae basically? So cos of x by 2 is equal to plus minus under root of 1 plus cos of x divided by 2, and tan of x by 2 is equal to plus minus under root of 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x, that is equal to 1 minus cos x divided by sin x. Now turning to the next slide, proof number 1, cos of 2x, that is equal to 1 minus sine square x. Substituting x is equal to x by 2, we get cos of bracket 2 into 1 by 2 into x, bracket complete, that will be equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x by 2. Here this 2 and 2 will get cancelled, so cos of x will be equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x by 2. So now turning to the next slide, cos of x will be equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x by 2. Now we will be rearranging this equation when we will be getting 2 sine square x by 2, that is equal to 1 minus cos x. This cos is positive on the left hand side, so it will rearrange and go to right hand side, and it will get converted into minus, and this minus will get converted into plus. So now these two we are sending to the right hand side, so it will go and divide this complete equation 1 minus cos x. So we'll be getting sine square x by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos x divided by 2. So sine of x by 2 will be equal to plus minus under root of 1 minus cos x divided by 2. As we are taking square root on this square root in this equation on the both sides, we'll be getting this final answer. So now turning to the next slide. Now proof number 2. Cos of 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. So substituting x is equal to x by 2, we will be getting cos of 2 in cos 2 into 1 upon 2 into x divide bracket complete, that will be equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Now this 2 and 2 will get cancelled, so we will be getting cos of bracket x is equal to 2 into cos square x by 2 minus 1. So now turning to the next slide, cos of x will be equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. So now that is the equation by rearranging 2 cos square x by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos x. This cos x is getting here, and this one is getting here. Only this 1 minus 1 is getting here with cos x, so we'll be getting this equation. So cos square x by 2 will be equal to 1 plus cos x divided by 2. Now by taking square root on both sides, we'll be getting this final answer, that is cos of x by 2, that is equal to plus minus under root of 1 plus cos x divided by 2. Now turning to the next slide, that is the proof number 3 of tan theta, that is tan of x by 2, that is equal to sine of x by 2 divided by cos of x by 2. So tan of x by 2 will be equal to as we are substituting the sine of x by 2's value, that is we have calculated before, that is 1 minus cos of x divided by 2 divided by cos of x by 2's value is under root 1 plus cos x divided by 2. So now tan of x by 2, that will be equal to under root of 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. This is incomplete under root. So now turning to the next slide. Now we know tan of x by 2 is equal to under root of 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. Rationalizing the denominator, rationalizing means dividing and multiplying by the denominator. See, this 1 plus cos x is a denominator, our denominator. We are multiplying and dividing by 1 plus cos x and 1 plus cos x. So this 1 plus cos x, 1 plus cos x can be cancelled easily, as you can see. So now tan of x by 2 will be equal to under root of 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. We are doing rationalizing of the denominator, so get rid of this under root sign. So now turning to the next slide, tan of x by 2 is equal to under root of 1 minus cos square x divided by 1 plus cos of x bracket square. In the before slide, this a minus b and a plus b. So we know the formula. As per the formula, that will be giving us a square minus b square and bracket, and in the denominator 1 a plus b into a plus b, that will become a complete square, bracket square. This only we have written here. So now tan of x by 2 will be equal to under root of sine square x divided by 1 plus cos x bracket square. We know from the identity formula number 1, trigonometric identities, this 1 minus cos square x is equal to sine square x. If you have not seen this video, please do go to my playlist and watch this video. Tan of x by 2 then will be equal to sine of x divided by 1 plus cos x. As we have taken under square root in the numerator and denominator, this sine square is written as sine x after taking square root, and 1 plus cos x bracket square is written as 1 plus cos x after taking square root. So now turning to the next slide, proof number 3, part C. Tan of x by 2 is equal to under root of 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. Now rationalizing rationalizing by using numerator. I have by mistake written here denominator. It is a numerator. So now we are multiplying and dividing by 1 minus cos x. So tan of x by 2 will be equal to under root of 1 minus cos x in one bracket and another bracket 1 minus cos x, and completely divided by 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x. Now turning to the next slide, we will be getting tan of x by 2, that is equal to under root of 1 minus cos x bracket square divided by 1 minus cos square x. Here in the denominator, a square minus b square formula is been written. As per the a square minus b square formula, here the outcome is 1 minus cos square x. In the before proof we have seen this, and similarly here also 1 minus cos x into 1 minus cos x, it will be giving us 1 minus cos x bracket square. So now tan x by 2 will be equal to under root of 1 minus cos x bracket square divided by sine square x. Here 1 minus cos square x is equal to sine square x, that is from the trigonometric identity number 1. Now tan of x by 2 will be equal to 1 minus cos of x divided by sine of x. Here we are getting rid of under root sign and square sign. So we'll be getting our final answer as tan of x by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos of x divided by sine of x. Now turning to the next slide. Thank you guys for watching this video. For such more videos, please like, share, subscribe. You will be getting the lectures PDF link in the description down. Thank you. Please share the video link and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.